Hello, first graders. All right, we're going to do our letters and our sounds. Here we go.
A, apple, A.
C,
B, bat,
cat. D, dog. D. E, ed, F. F, fun. G, game, go. H, hat. I, itch, it. J, jug, j. K, kite. L, lamp, ooh. M, man, N, nut, O, octopus, ah. P, pan, Q, queen, qua. R, rat, S, snake, T, top, U, up, V, van, W, wind, what? X, fox, Y, yellow, yeah. Z, zebra, Z. H, chin, ch. S, H, ship, sh. W, H, whistle, what? T, H, thumb. C, K, sock. All right, good job, first grade. Now we're going to practice some tricky sounds. All right, here we go. Z, zebra, Z. O, octopus, ah. That's a vowel. TH, thumb, the digraph. Remember, I do, you do. S, snake, S. A, apple, A. CK, sock, K. C, cat, K. I, itch, it. Another vowel. K, kite, K. SH, ship, sh. Remember, I do, you do. U, up, It's another vowel. M, man, CH, chin, ch. E, ed, F. WH, whistle, w. All right, let's talk about some nonsense words. Nonsense words are, remember, made up words. They're not real words. We're also going to talk about bonus letters. Remember, a bonus letter, you put a star on the bonus letter. All right, here we go. We have, let's tap it out. Get your tappers ready. Remember, on the bonus letter, it's just one sound. So we're doing one tap, even though it's 4 letters. Here we go. Z, z. Ooh, look, I have the star above the bonus letter. Let's do this one. B, e, bet. Do this one. Qua, Q, you remember it's one sound. Qua, e, quest. Remember, I have a star above the bonus letter. Oh, this one's underlined because it's a digraph. Ready? Thub. Last one. This is a digraph, so it's underlined. Chop. Oh, and there's a star because it's a bonus letter. Remember, the bonus letters are F, L, and S. Good job, first graders. All right, this is our word of the day. What is the word? Let's look at it. Let's tap it out. Here we go. Fill. Oh, look, I have another L. It's a bonus letter. I put a star on it. What does the word fill mean? Pause the video and talk to who you're working with. What does fill mean? If you had water and you put it in the cup, you filled your cup up. So fill is to put something in it. Okay, how do we mark this word? If I were going to mark this, I would put a star above the L because it's a bonus letter. And I would put a breve above the short I because it is a short vowel. All right, let's create a sentence. Pause the video and talk to the person you're working with. Make a sentence. Good job. A sentence I came up with is, I will fill my cup. All right, first grade. Now we're going to move on and we're going to talk about a glued sound. Are you ready? I have a new thing to show you. I have this new card. I'm going to show you. All right. This word is all. The bonus letter changes this short vowel, the short A sound, to an all. Okay? So this word is all. A-L-L, fall, all. Remember, that bonus letter on this word changes the A to say all. These are called a glued sound. This is a glued sound. What is this called? If you said glued sound, you're right. This is a glued sound. All right, your turn to practice. Do it with me and then you pause the video and do it. Are you ready? A-L-L, ball, all. Your turn. All right. When we tap this out, first we tap out ball. We weld it together, so it's like this, all. Okay? That first time it sounded weird, but you need to make sure when you're tapping out a glued sound, your two fingers, you're going to pretend like there's glue on them, and you're going to glue those sounds together. It's one tap. So let's try again. Ready? All. And then slide it together. Ball. All right. Let's practice some more. Are you ready? This word we're going to do next is we're going to do roll. That is a nonsense word. Okay, we're going to tap it out. All. My A-L-L, I have a glued sound, so I'm going to put it together. All. So I'd write it R-A-L-L. This is a glued sound. To mark this, I would put a box around the A-L-L. When you mark a glued sound, you put a box around it. But it needs one more thing. It has a bonus letter, so I'm also going to put a star above the L. Good job. All right, let's do another one. This word is tuss. Let's tap it out. Ready? Tuss. All right, let's write it. Okay, first we need to look. Do we have a short vowel? We do. So I'm going to put a brief above it. Do I have a bonus letter? Oh, I do. So I'm going to put a star above the S. Now, do I have a glue sound? Do I have A-L-L in this word? No. That's all I need to do. All right, here's my last word. My last word is daff. Daff. All right, the first sound I hear is a d. A. Okay, I have a bonus letter. And I also have a short vowel. So first I'm going to mark the short vowel. A. Then I put a star above the F because it is a bonus letter. Daff. All right. Good job, first graders. Give yourself a pat on the back. All right, now I want you guys to get out your whiteboards. It's your turn to practice. Here's our first one we're going to do. Your first word, your first sound you're going to practice. I want to see you practice is x, x. What letter makes x? If you wrote an X, you are correct. X says x. All right, the next one, what letter says eh? It's a vowel. Write it down on your piece of paper or your whiteboard. You should have wrote E. All right, your next one is I. This is another vowel. If you wrote a short I, you are correct. Good job, first graders. All right, first graders. Now we're going to make some more words. I want to see you guys do the words. Are you ready? The first word is chap. You tap it out and you write it on your whiteboard. Chap. Pause the video and write it. All right, your word should look like this. C-H, A. Remember, CH is a diagraph, so I'm going to underline my diagraph. And I would mark my A with the brief, because it's a short A. Okay, and I don't have a bonus letter, so I marked my word. Okay, one more. We're going to do shell. Shell. Pause the video and write it on your board. All right, let's practice. Ready? Shell. O. That's how you spell shell. All right, let's mark it. First, you'd mark it with a brief because it has a short L. So we're going to mark it with a short E. And then we're going to underline the diagraph. And then I'm going to check for a bonus letter. And I have a bonus letter at the end. And it's after a short vowel. So I'm going to put a star above the L. Shell. Very good job, first graders. Give yourself a pat on the back. You guys did fantastic.